But what's really cool, and this was worth all the time away from my family, and what was so neat is to do training in front of people, large companies. I mean, the biggest of the big, down to, I'm training 2 linemen for a small municipality.
That's awesome.
So we didn't pick and choose. We just take them as they come, first serve. We don't do any number counting or nothing like that. But what's amazing is, to me, is I have seen multiple statewide work methods change. I mean, statewide. I've seen large investor-owned utilities change their best practices, and they realize that their best practices weren't the best practices. Yeah. And, testing their temporary protective grounds when before they weren't. They didn't know why they weren't. Why do we need to? And going over all these processes and giving them why and the how, that the OSHA regs, the 1910.269 gives you the what, but the why and the how behind the what, and knowing that literally tens of thousands of line workers around the country are much safer today than when I first started doing this training years ago.
So you guys basically have brought more accountability to the trade, right? And the linemen that are dealing with us every day, if they don't appreciate that, they should.
Yeah.
Because accountability is what keeps them alive.
Right.
So, no, that's pretty amazing.